This video I will explain fatty liver prevention methods. What is prevention? Prevention means doing things that stop a disease from happening. In fatty liver, prevention means keeping your liver healthy so that fat does not build up. What are the healthy diet for liver health? Eat more fruits, vegetables, whole grains and lean proteins. Avoid fried food, junk food, fast food, too much oily items and too much sugar. Reduce white rice, white bread, and sugary drinks like cola and juice. Choose healthy fats like nuts, seeds, olive oil, and fish. Weight management and exercise. You have to maintain healthy weight. If you are overweight, try to lose weight slowly. Even losing 5 to 10% of your body weight can help your liver. You have to exercise regularly. Do at least 30 minutes of walking, cycling, or any physical activity daily. Exercise helps to burn fat and keeps your liver healthy. Alcohol and blood sugar management. Alcohol can damage liver cells and increase fat in the liver. If you don't drink, don't start. If you do, try to stop or reduce it. Control diabetes and blood sugar. If you have diabetes or high blood sugar, keep it under control with medicines, diet, and exercise. Cholesterol management and medication safety. Avoid foods that raise bad cholesterol like fried foods, butter, and red meat. Use healthy oils like olive oil or sunflower oil in small amounts. Some medicine can harm the liver if taken too much or without advice. Always check with doctor before taking any new medicines. Regular checkups and hydration. Get regular health checkups. Do liver tests if you are at risk, like obese, diabetes, etc. Early detection can help you to reverse fatty liver before it gets serious. Drink more water. Water helps your body and liver flush out toxins. Try to drink 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. To prevent fatty liver, you should eat well, stay active, avoid alcohol, and take care of your overall health. A healthy lifestyle today means a healthy liver tomorrow.